Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to create a tree map chart in Excel. This is how a new tree map chart looks like. This is a new feature in Excel 2016, and what I've done is, for the sake of showing how it works, I have gone ahead and entered the rand between formula for this number to generate automatic numbers whenever the sheet is recalculated. So I'm just pressing is equal to and enter to recalculate the sheet and see how whenever these numbers change, the chart reorganizes itself. So this is just to show how the chart would look like in different numbers. So let's see, based on the size of the numbers, the blocks resize themselves. So quarter 2 is the biggest, so it's shown like this. Quarter 1 is the smallest, so it's shown like this. See how it gets reorganized. It's one of the best charts to show. Let me show you how to create it. So let's delete it first. Just click on the chart anywhere and press delete. Now to create this chart, select your data and click on insert, and in this section choose Treemap chart, and it says use this chart type to compare values across hierarchy levels, show proportions within hierarchy levels as rectangles. Use it when the data is organized hierarchically and has fewer categories. So this is just click on it and the chart is there, as simple as that. Now once you click on it, you get these options to see how the different layouts for the chart would look like. So this is the best one, and then you can choose to change color options to change the colors of the chart. So this is one of the best charts around. You can change the quick layout quickly from here. Depends on you how you want to style it. You can update the chart title by clicking on it and typing whatever you want. You can do further customization by clicking on this plus sign. So chart title, center overlay, more title options you get from here. Similarly, you can have different styles from this option and colors from this option. Amazing chart, beautifully represents data, and it's very simple to make. So this is how you make a tree map chart in Excel. See you in the next video.